There's nothing that makes me happier than this little jingle on Funimation. Oh,
Tanjiro's hurt.
Why do they all have these little screwdriver weapons?
I think they were all given them.
Yeah. Why not knives? Is that more effective?
I don't know. Does the job, obviously, right? I think we ended it right when the train was like flying off the tracks, right?
Yeah. And I said that was a great cliffhanger.
Yeah. I love the animation in the show, man. Hell yeah, Inosuke.
There it is.
Oh,
Beautiful.
I love it. I wish Rengoku got to see that happen. I really have this like pre-partum depression, like knowing what's coming. It's gonna make me very sad.
Sometimes it's sadder to watch something when you already know that what the sad thing is that's coming. Because then you like feel it more because you know it's gonna happen. And then you're like suspenseful for it, you're waiting for it, you feel it, and it's building up, and then you see it again. Like, ugh.
I wonder if people watch like re-reactions. Like, we got a comment that was like, oh, I wish I could have seen you guys watch Your Name and Silent Voice. And I was like, oh my god, I love both of those movies and I've only seen each of them once. Would it rob the feeling of a reaction video if it's not the person's first time watching it?
A movie that I would cry to again, though, I Want to Eat Your Pancreas.
Yeah. Oh.
That's one that I could rewatch and re-react to, and I would be the same emotional wreck.
Yeah.
And we watched that one in theaters, so it's a different experience.
Definitely. Okay, here we go. The little emblem in the title there looked like the same snowflake design Akaza like used in the movie.
Off with your head.
Ah. Honestly.
I just love that line.
Yeah,
if
me
he
too.
dies, that'll make that man a murderer. I don't think I've ever heard that train of thought.
How selfless, honestly, right?
It's like a bouncy castle. Yeah. Engineer.
No, it's not.
Yeah.
I like the dub for Inosuke voice, but I love the sub for Inosuke's voice. Like it's amazing. Don't worry, Zenitsu saved Nezuko.
Yeah, I remember how happy I was to see that he obviously put her in the box before dawn.
I don't think he's able to get the blood of this demon, correct?
Which kind of sucks for his mission.
It probably
'cause
would have helped.
This would be good blood sample to get. Do we get any backstory? Good question.
He probably can't, right? He probably doesn't have the ability to just kill her like he kills all the rest.
But why would you say that?
I think that Nezuko has something within her or bloodline that lets her have some sort of free will. Like, I'm blanking on their names.
But he can do anything if his blood is inside them. I'm thinking he wants to keep her alive for a while.
This is the closest look we've had at the other ones, right?
Mm-hmm. $10,000 steps. That's a lot.
That's so cool, dude.
Look at it.
So cool.
Everyone in this show is so cute.
I know, and I'm so upset because Rengoku just taught him this crazy important thing in 5 seconds. Think about everything else he could have taught him. Oh,
no.
Man.
No, thank you. Let's just do a new ending. Let's rewrite the whole thing.
Do you think this whole thing was like a ploy? Like Muzan wanted this other demon or didn't care if the other demon died just so they could get a Hashira on site to be killed?
I think they wanted to like alienate a Hashira in a way where they had a better chance of defeating them without backup. Look at his eyes.
I know. I hate how cool his design is.
His design is really cool.
I know.
He's like, wow, both targets in one place. Awesome.
Oh, so cool. He went right for Tanjiro. Killed the one with the Hanafuda earrings, right?
Yeah.
Ah.
So fast, though. So, he hasn't come up against an upper rank. This is his first time.
I mean, if he did come up against him, he'd probably die, right?
Yeah. Rengoku doesn't even seem scared, though.
He would never.
I'm really glad this isn't like in Naruto when they can bring back deceased.
Oh, yeah. Akaza.
It's kind of like a losing battle to know that Muzan has these demons that are basically unable at the moment to be beaten.
I wonder where Rengoku ranks among the other Hashira. Honestly. Good boys, I need to.
Yes!
Technique development.
So cool.
Destructive death.
Oh, the music! I forgot how good it was.
No, you won't. God, it looks so cool. Good to know. No one took him up on the offer. So, as far as we know, no Hashira have become demons. So quick.
I wonder if in his backstory he wanted to become a demon.
Maybe. Air type. Oh! It's an invisible attack, right? So cool.
Timing.
Oh, so cool! God, I hate that Akaza's not even sweating, dude.
It is weird hearing the demon call him Kyojuro.
Yeah. This animation is amazing, dude.
Goggle eyes. He wants training partners.
Yeah. Reminds me of like a Goku kind of personality.
Like a, you're strong, fight me.
Yeah. Oh.
I'm like so tense.
They're on a, totally different level. That's such a sucky situation. You're right there watching, and you know if you try to help, you're only going to be a burden. Ah! So unfair.
And it's like literally split-second regeneration.
Oh.
Oh, the broken rib sound. Don't want to see it.
So cool. Oh my god. Disorder.
I'm already getting emotional.
I know.
Knowing.
Oh, man.
You get me right in the emotional chills and the starting to feel really freaking depressed. And then you go to the outro.
This better be the best Taisho era secret that I've ever seen in my entire life, because my day is ruined.
It feels so sucky to now have to wait for that, like, you know, the inevitable sad. And
I'm gonna wait a week to cry.
It's like, you literally were getting me emotional, and then you just cut it off. And I'm like, oh, I was about to cry.
Even though I've seen it already, it really did, like, as the episode is building up, like, it made me feel...
I'm, like, really weird about liking to know what happens and things beforehand. And that has never seemed to affect my emotions on it. I almost, like I said earlier, feel more emotional with, like, knowing the inevitable and watching it happen.
You're just able to kind of, like, be in the moment and experience the visual and the audio and, like, the story behind it, so you're really caught up in it. Regardless of if it's your first time watching or not, you know?
A Taisho era secret seems way out of place.
No.
I don't think I've ever heard that train of thought. I don't think I've ever heard that train of thought. I don't think I've ever heard that train of thought.
I don't think I've ever heard that train of thought.